So after you fed the baby, next it brings us to the important job of burping. So what is illustrated here is three different positions of burping. Usually parents are most comfortable with the first position, which is on the shoulder, right? And usually they feel quite safe about the first position of burping. And the good side of things is that by default we expect that the fathers will indulge in this exercise. And we also expect that burping is to be done for 15 to 20 minutes after every feed. We also expect that a single burp is not going to be considered enough of an excuse for you to put the baby down. Okay, so irrespective of your meeting schedules next day morning, the fathers have to kind of pitch in here, because overall your contribution to child rearing in any case is relatively minimal. So we would take the mother's side on this occasion. Okay? Good. Any questions on burping? No? सबको आता है?